Hi everybody, it's Dr. Lou Walters at the Source Wellness Center. When I was reading the news this morning, I saw that the EPA set minimum standards for forever chemicals, also known as PFAs, in drinking water, which is a great step forward, but we should talk a little bit more about this. So what are PFAs? These are man-made chemicals, synthetic chemicals that are used in different products that last a long time. We're talking thousands of years before they break down, and we can breathe them in and we can absorb them either through our skin or from food we're eating or water we're drinking. And why do we care? What does it do to our health or potentially do to our health? Well, it's been shown to increase the risk of certain cancers, especially kidney cancer, liver cancer, testicular cancer, and pancreatic cancer. It can interfere with our endocrine system or our hormone function, especially the thyroid. It can cause lower birth rates in babies, as well as infertility or fertility issues, as well as increased weight gain in kids and increased cholesterol levels for adults, which we worry about with heart attacks and strokes. Now, according to the Department of Health and Human Services, most people in the U.S. already have PFAs in their blood. Now, where's it coming from? Where are we getting exposed to this stuff? So in non-stick cookware, food packaging, especially fast food and bakery packaging, anything that's trying to prevent grease from being absorbed into it, stain-resistant furniture and carpets and fire retardants, clothes that are stain and water repellent that you may be wearing, and then certain cosmetics and personal care products, and then our drinking water, tap water, it can be in that. Now, it's estimated that 45% of U.S. tap water is already contaminated with forever chemicals. Now, with the EPA announced their levels, it's great that they set a minimum and are starting to pay attention to it, but they're giving municipalities 3 years to start measuring. And then if the levels that they find are higher than what the EPA is saying is okay, then they're giving municipalities another 2 years to get filtrations in place to reduce those levels. Now, if you don't want to wait 5 years and you're drinking tap water, there are things that you can do. So if you have products in your home, which most of us do, buying a HEPA air filter to pull out that dust so we're not breathing it in is one thing you can do. Another thing you can do is buy a filter that is certified by a third party to pull forever chemicals out. Now, your typical Brita filter or your standard refrigerator filter is not going to do that. So as far as what third parties, there's a number of them, but a few to look for on the packaging for the filter is NSF, WQA, IAPMO. Are good certifications to look for as far as third-party testing. And then, of course, trying to minimize exposure as best you can, which in this day and age would be hard to do completely. I hope you find this helpful. Best wishes, and be healthy.